A moon of Jupiter could have oxygen and be supporting extraterrestrial life in an underground ocean. Receive the most cordial welcome to this new documentary. I am the engineer Hiddekel Morrison, and I greatly value that you decide to watch this educational content, in which we will show and explain the hopeful and impressive results of a recent study that analyzes oxygen and life outside our planet Earth. Don't miss this video until the end. From an engineer's perspective. Let's start. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system and the fifth in order of distance from the Sun. It is a gas giant that after the Sun is the largest celestial body in the solar system, with a mass almost 2.5 times that of the other planets combined is 1,321 times larger than our planet Earth. Jupiter is a planet made up mainly of hydrogen and helium, with the particularity that it has several round rocks that orbit it. One of those rocks that are called moons or satellites is known by the name of Europa, which is the sixth natural satellite of Jupiter in order of increasing distance and the smallest. It was here in Europe, one of the moons or satellites of Jupiter that is slightly smaller than our moon, where a prestigious scientific study identified oxygen and real possibilities of life, as you will see in the details that we will give you below. But first, I ask you to support us by liking this video, sharing this video with your contacts, and subscribing to this channel, turning on notifications, so with your support, we can continue to frequently generate interesting documentaries on aerospace technology and the universe. Thank you for contributing to the creation of educational content. Europa, Jupiter's moon, is composed mainly of silicates. It has a crust of water ice and a probable core of iron and nickel. A team of researchers led by the University of Texas in the United States recently published this study in the journal Geophysical Research Letters, in which they suggest that the icy layer of Jupiter's moon Europa could be transporting oxygen to an underground ocean of liquid water, where extraterrestrial life could exist. The scientific lead author of the study, Mark Hesse, indicated that this research raises the possibility of life in the realm of the possible and provides a solution to what is considered one of the pending problems of habitability of the subterranean ocean of Jupiter's moon, Europe. The researchers put this theory to the test by building the first computer simulation of the process, with oxygen traveling in salty water beneath Europa's terrains of chaos, landscapes made up of cracks, ridges and ice blocks that cover a quarter of that moon. The results show that not only is oxygen transport possible, but the amount of oxygen available could be on par with the amount present in Earth's oceans today, opening up a whole range of possibilities for sustenance of extraterrestrial life. Europa, one of Jupiter's 79 known moons, is a prime location to search for extraterrestrial life, as scientists have detected signs of oxygen, water and chemicals that could serve as nutrients. On the other hand, Europa's ice sheet, estimated to be about 24 kilometers thick, serves as a barrier between liquid water and oxygen. But the researchers think it's plausible that oxygen flows through the ice of salt water, or brine. The model showed that the brine drained out in the form of a porosity wave that causes the pores in the ice to momentarily widen, allowing water to pass through before resealing. This mode of transport appears to be able to carry 86% of the oxygen absorbed at the surface to the subterranean ocean. Study co-author Stephen Vance, a scientist at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, said higher estimates indicate that oxygen levels in Europa's ocean are similar to those in Earth's oceans, making it tempting to think of some kind of aerobic organism living just under the ice. Vance added that NASA's upcoming Europa Clipper 2024 mission will help improve estimates of oxygen and other compounds necessary for life in the ocean of the Jupiter moon. We leave you with some of the most recent and impressive images and simulations of Jupiter and its moons. As usual, we appreciate you informing us. It is a real pleasure to be able to provide you with the main news, trends and developments about the most important aspects of aerospace technology and the universe, from the perspective of an engineer. I am the engineer Hiddekel Morrison, and I invite you to meet again in a future installment.